Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I know I'm back. Where have I been? Well, unfortunately, I was sick. I was in and out of the hospital, but I am better now. I started to get sick probably in late November, and December was just a total loss. So I've had boxes and boxes and boxes that I had in November that I couldn't film, and of course I got a ton in December that I couldn't film, and it kind of leaked into January, so I couldn't film. So forgive me if I'm like so far behind. I do have a advent calendar. I think I just bought one advent calendar, and I'm so excited to film that one. But I have to catch up on all these other ones. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for your patience. And please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video. And I hope you like it enough to give it a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your well wishes. My birthday was yesterday, so thank you for all the birthday wishes. I know I had a giveaway, I think it was in November, and it was just a few items. So what I'm gonna do is take that giveaway and add a lot more items and have a big giveaway at the end of January. Because Monday I leave for Mexico. I know, such a life. I'm meeting my kids, my grandbabies, so nothing's gonna keep me from getting on that plane and going to Mexico. But today I'm going to film my Jarmabox. Yes, this is a box that has been sitting and waiting. This is a European box. So it's a great box, but unfortunately you have to pay like $24 or some ridiculous shipping. But I want to say they sent out like a 20% off coupon for the box, but you still had to pay full price for the shipping. But there was a few things in there that I wanted, so I treated myself. And again, I think I got this in late summer, and that's how long this Jarmabox has been sitting around. And I will leave the link below, but they have great items. You can just get they sell pajamas. You can just get the pajamas. You can get the other items. So, but it's a real neat box because it opens like this. So you can save the box and you could put palettes in there. You could put so much stuff in there. So you can tell I'm better because I'm just, and there's a card in there, and they have, like everybody else, the little things so you can just snap it and find out everything about them. And I'm so excited because of course I don't remember anything that's in there, but I do remember there was a few things in there that I liked, so I took a chance. This is the only Jarmabox that I have ordered, so I'm hoping maybe I'll like it enough and I'll order it again. So the first thing is the Soft Focus Glow Drops by I think it's Rodial. And I think I've received these before, and it's an ultimate glow primer. And I really, when I was in the hospital, then I was home on bed rest for 2 weeks, so there was no makeup. I did, I washed my face and put on moisturizer, but that was it. So I'm excited to get back into my skincare routine. And the next item is a body gel by Aromatherapy, and I do like these, and this is a nice size tube. I'm not going to open any of these products again. I'm going to be gone for a little bit, so when I get back. And then we have Star Skin Organic Celery Juice, Serum and Oil. So I'm thinking this cute little thing is a face product, and it is wrapped up. And somewhere I have my glasses. One thing they couldn't fix in the hospital was my vision. But the hospital I went to, I give credit to all the nurses and doctors. They were awesome. Apply every morning and or evening to a clean face and neck. Massage in gently. And it says it's a lightweight. So it's silicone free. So nice packaging. And then we have the Nip and Fab Hydrate Hyaluronic Fix Concentrate. And they couldn't make the writing any smaller. It's aqua water. And I'm looking to see how you use it. I don't know. I'm assuming it's a moisturizer for the face, but I can't read it, but I've seen these in other boxes. So we've got 4 great products, and now I have gotten this before. It's by Pixie. It's the Rose Remedy Mask. Nourishing toning jelly. And that's what that looks like. And this is a heavy little tub. And then it's got the little spoon here. So I am looking forward to doing that. I was gonna start doing the Mask Mondays, and then of course that went to heck in a handbasket. And then we've got the card. And then we have by Szechuan Here in the Sun Hair Protecting Cream. And this will go in my bag to Mexico. I'm trying to read when you put it in your hair. If you just use it as a conditioner, or like when you go out, if you just put it in there, because it will be hot. Oh, it says, helps protect hair and hair color from the damaging effects of sun. Apply to clean, damp hair, style as desired. So I guess after you wash your hair, then you would apply it. So that is gonna go with me. And then we have delicious nighttime gummies, 2-month supply. And I don't know if these are sleepy gummies, because I could always go for sleepy gummies. Food supplement containing chamomile, lemon balm, lavender. So these must be sleeping gummies. I hope I can sneak these in and they don't take them at the airport. And cleanse. So this must be removes waterproof makeup, hydrates skin for up to 12 hours. So it looks like another cleaning for your face. So I knew this was going to be high-end skincare, but I'm going to show you really what I liked about the box. And this is Paris, London, aromatherapy, grapefruit and jasmine. Ooh, that must smell good. So it must be another skincare item. Oh, it's a candle. And I love my candles. Oh, how cute. And there's the candle. Oh my God, this smells amazing. I wish I could try to sneak it with me, because when we go to like Mexico and places over there, their bathtubs are massive. It takes you like almost an hour or 2 to fill up their bathtubs because they're so big. So I always bring like the bath bombs, excuse me, that I could never use here. And I'll bring them over there because they're so big. And so I would love to sneak in a candle. I don't know how that works. If we're checking a bag, so I don't know if I could sneak it in my bag or if they'll see it. And then the favorite item that I wanted the box for, and this can definitely have to wash it. This is definitely gonna go with me. Is the pajamas. They have the neatest, they have like, I think the box comes out like maybe 4 times a year, and Look at these pajamas. Are they not cute? I'm gonna fit right in. It has a pocket and you can size, and I think I got the size large. Oh, I lied. I got the medium. I must have had a skinny moment there. But I thought they were so cute. So this is the top. And then these are the bottom. So I thought perfect for like those types of occasions. And wait, and it's got the little matching headband. How cute is that? So just to recap, we got this great pajama set, and then it looks like we got several masks. We got this mask. We got, oh my God, I wish you can smell the candle. And then we got this oil for your face, the body gel, and I'm assuming these are nighttime gummies to help you sleep, and another concentrate for your face, and a primer, and oh, sorry about that. My daughter from Germany was FaceTiming. Then we got this hair protection. I can't wait to try that. And then we have another cleanser for your face. So what was your, I could still smell this candle. What was your favorite item in the box? Have you ever bought? Okay, and then we got the cleanser cream. Can't wait to try that. And the hair serum. So again, let me know what your favorite item in this box. I think it was well worth it. If you're into skincare, this is definitely a box. Of course, my favorite were the pajamas. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and I will see you next video.